Hello everybody! Here I will show you how to add Spotify music to Canva Presentation. Imagine being able to transform your standard presentation into a more captivating and memorable experience for your audience. By adding music from Spotify, you can do just that. Music has the power to set the tone, create an atmosphere, and engage your listeners in a way that plain visuals simply can't. So if you want to take your Canva presentation to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to make your presentation not just seen, but heard. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Spotify. You have the flexibility to do this on your desktop application or directly through your web browser. Whatever suits your preference. Once you have Spotify open, spend some time exploring your playlists or discovering new music. The goal is to find that perfect song that aligns seamlessly with the theme and tone of your presentation. For instance, if you're aiming to energize your audience, an upbeat tune might do the trick. Conversely, if you want to create a calm and relaxed atmosphere, a mellow track could be the way to go. The right music can significantly enhance the emotional impact of your presentation. Once you've found the song that fits just right, it's time to get its link. This is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the song you want and look for the three dots next to the track. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to hover over the Share option. Within this Share menu, there's an option labeled Copy Song Link. Clicking on this will copy the link of your chosen song to your clipboard. It's now ready to be incorporated into your Canva presentation. Now, let's switch gears and move over to Canva. Open your Canva presentation, assuming you've already set up a design where you plan to introduce the music. To add the Spotify track, look for an option that allows you to insert multimedia content into your project. In our example, this would be the Embed option. Depending on your version of Canva, you might find this option in the toolbar or within an insert menu. Once you have the Embed option open, you'll find a space waiting for you to paste your copied link. Just click into this space and use your keyboard to paste the link. This is typically done by pressing Ctrl+V on a Windows PC or Command+V on a Mac. After the link is pasted, look for a button that says Add to Design and click it. And there you go. Your Spotify track is now seamlessly embedded into your Canva presentation. This integration not only adds a dynamic element, but also allows your audience to experience your content in a fresh, engaging way. However, it's vital to remember to adhere to any copyright regulations when using music, especially in public or shared settings. Integrating music into your presentation can significantly enhance the delivery and help grab your audience's attention by engaging more of their senses. Take the time to test your presentation to ensure everything runs smoothly with the added music. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective way to make your Canva presentations more vibrant and impactful by incorporating Spotify music. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add Spotify music to Canva presentation. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.